Good morning and welcome to Villa 443 on Land's Luxury Villas website. As you can see, as soon as you enter the grounds, you come into a massive area with a beautiful tree in it. I love this tree. This is a ficus tree that will be getting shaped in the shape of a cube, so it'll be instantly recognisable when you do enter the property. So what I'm going to do is, rather than showing you the outside first, we'll go into the property and we'll have a look around. So obviously as you enter Villa 443, I'll just close the door behind me. The first bedroom you come to is the main master suite. See a beautiful room which leads out through the double French windows to the pool area where it's lovely just to sit and relax. So as soon as you wake up in the morning, open the doors and you fall into the swimming pool. Perfect. TV, DVD for those that just want to chill and relax in the evening in bed with a glass of wine. Now this bedroom, the master bedroom, is serviced by its own ensuite bathroom, which has a bath and a shower over, complete with sink. So now what I'll do is I'll take you over to the two other bedrooms. First we have the twin. Lovely little room. And coming back from the twin room, we have the second master bed, or the second double bedroom. Both these rooms, the twin and the double bedroom, are serviced by this bathroom, which has a bath as well and a shower over. So moving along nicely from the bedrooms, you come into the spacious and airy lounge. Which again has large French windows leading out to the alfresco area. So I'll just give you a quick sweep of the living room. It's a beautiful house and it's fully alarmed as well with its own Securitas system. So from here we have an internal smaller dining area leading through from the kitchen. So if you don't want to go outside and have breakfast or lunch outside or evening dinner, then you've got the opportunity to sit inside. Large and spacious, a very well equipped kitchen, I have to say. Outside we have the utility area with washing machine and the essentials. So, I thought I'd give you just a walk through with this. So I say, if you prepare your food in here and you don't want to sit outside, then this is a nice little funky area just to sit and chill and enjoy your food before going out to spend the day sunbathing on the large outside terrace area by the pool. And that's where we're heading now. See, it's been beautifully decorated. The gardens are stunning here as well. So immediately on outside you have the outside dining area. A couple of deck chairs for just relaxing and a huge Canadian barbecue. Perfect for those that are looking to do some proper Canadian barbecue food. From here you've got the sunbeds to sit and relax for the evening, quick sunbathing and a large heated pool. And you can hear in the background Lovely jacuzzi. Perfect place just to sit, relax, have a glass of wine, and let the evening sunset roll in. So I'll just give you a quick sweep of the gardens as well, because they're absolutely lovely. Birds of paradise over on the far side with the big yucca trees, the big palm trees. And so I'll give you one more quick sweep of the outside terrace, and that's your run through of Villa 443 on Land's Luxury Villas website. Any questions, or you want any more advice on this villa, then please do not hesitate to get in contact with us.